Today, I am thrilled to introduce to you the latest marvel in smartphone innovation, the HUAWEI Mate X6. This device represents a significant leap forward in design, technology, and user experience, setting a new benchmark in the world of foldable smartphones. Design and display. The HUAWEI Mate X6 boasts a sophisticated book-style design, constructed with second-generation Kunlun glass, ensuring both elegance and durability. It holds an IPX8 certification, offering substantial water resistance. The device features two OLED displays, external screen, a 6.45-inch LTPO OLED panel with a resolution of 2440 by 1080 pixels, supporting a variable refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz. Internal screen unfolds into a 7.93-inch LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 2440 by 2240 pixels, also supporting a 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate. These screens deliver an immersive and fluid visual experience, catering to both productivity and entertainment needs. Performance and hardware. Under the hood, the Mate X6 is powered by the Kirin 9020 processor, paired with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. This configuration ensures smooth multitasking and ample space for apps, media, and documents. The device operates on EMUI, based on Android, providing a familiar and user-friendly interface. Camera system. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the Mate X6 versatile camera setup. Main camera, a 50MP sensor with a variable aperture ranging from f/1.4 to f/4.0, allowing for exceptional performance in various lighting conditions. Ultra-wide-angle camera, a 40MP sensor for capturing expansive scenes with remarkable clarity. Telephoto camera, a 48MP sensor offering 4x optical zoom, enabling detailed shots from a distance. Front camera, an 8MP sensor designed for high-quality selfies and video calls. This comprehensive camera system ensures that users can capture stunning images and videos in any scenario. Battery and charging. Equipped with a 5110 mAh battery, the Mate X6 supports 66W wired fast charging and 50W wireless charging, ensuring that users can quickly recharge and stay connected throughout the day. Software and features. The Mate X6 introduces innovative features such as live multitask, allowing users to run 3 applications simultaneously on the expansive internal screen. This functionality enhances productivity, making it easier to manage tasks and applications efficiently. Global availability. Following its initial release in China, the HUAWEI Mate X6 is set to make its global debut, with availability in select markets starting in January 2025. The device will be offered in 2 elegant color options, red and black. In conclusion, the HUAWEI Mate X6 is not just a smartphone. It's a testament to innovation, combining cutting-edge technology with a sleek design to deliver an unparalleled user experience. Whether you're a professional seeking productivity tools or a tech enthusiast desiring the latest advancements, the Mate X6 is poised to exceed your expectations. Thank you for watching our videos. Like and subscribe our channel Jucter.